In this video, I'm going to show you how to monetize your TikTok account. So, if you want to start earning money from posting videos on TikTok, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get monetized. First, head over to your TikTok profile and click on the navigation bar in the top right-hand corner. From there, go to Settings and Privacy, then select Account. The first option you'll see is to switch to a business account. This step is optional, but it does give you access to more analytics and a few extra ways to monetize your account. For example, if you want to sell your own products on TikTok Shop, you'll need to have a business account. Whether you choose to switch to a business account or not, go back to your TikTok profile. Again, click on the navigation bar in the top right-hand corner and then select TikTok Studio. If you scroll down to the Inspiration tab, you'll see the option for monetization. Click on that and it will show you all the different monetization programs available for your account. Next, click on the View All button. Here, you'll find several different ways to monetize and make money on TikTok. Simply select the program you're interested in, and it will provide more details about the requirements to join. In my case, my account isn't currently eligible for this specific program. However, you can click on Get Notified when eligible at the bottom of the page. That way, TikTok will notify you through the app and via email once you meet the requirements. Finally, if you return to the previous window, you'll see at the top how much money you've currently earned on TikTok. Once you start making money, your earnings will appear in this balance, allowing you to track exactly how much you've made from TikTok.